Glam Squad, what's up? This is Dalou. I hope you are doing fantastic. Today I am going to show you another beautiful home. It is super modern. I really like the design and the decor style in this house. Once again, this home is in the beautiful town of Katy. It has 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. A little bit smaller than the first 2 homes, but it is super cute. If you are new to my channel, welcome to the Glam Squad family. We are all about creating beautiful, glam, and happy homes. Please hit your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as we upload. Thank you to all of my returning Glam Squad. I love you all. Please check me out on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook at Glam Style with Dalou. Guys, the setup in this house is very interesting. From the laundry room, you get to the closet, from the closet to the master bathroom, from the master bathroom to the bedroom. What do you think about this setup? Please leave a comment below. Let me know if you like it or if you do not like it. If you miss it, just rewind back a few seconds. You will see what I'm talking about. Guys, because this home and the 2 previous homes that I show you are model homes, they do not have a pool. It is against the law in the town of Katy for the model homes to have a pool. However, if I choose to purchase a home, I can definitely add a pool as part of my package. I hope that answers some of the statements that I got in the comment sections as to why the homes do not have a pool. Guys, let me know what you think about this baby. I thought it was super cute. I will see you on the next video for a brand new home tour. As soon as I get back, I will be sharing with you my regular home decor, but until then, I'll be sharing some home tour with you. Please hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. I thank you for spending your time with me. I love you always. Bye. Mwah.